Hey guys, just feeding you beautiful kitties, just like Irene asked, and that I love to do and enjoy doing, despite my overzealous neighbors. Here we have Ginger, Sholey, Crooked Tail, Spotty, and I think that's old. Let's see, that's not Cholo. No, that is Cholo. And then over there we have the wonderful, famous Miss Meow Meow. About going back into hiding in her spot over in that corner, inside her spot inside the rubbish over there. The elusive Miss Meow Meow. Oh, there's Mrs. Black's relative. And then you see Siamese over there. See another orangey over there. And some different multicolored ones. I put food over there, and I put food over here. I also feed them in the parking spot, but I'm gonna slowly transition from the parking spot and also feed them over there. Hissy and One-Eyed. You know, they have that area. But I'm slowly gonna move them over here because this is a safe area. You know, even though I live in those apartments, some of my neighbors are a little bit backwards, I guess, so to speak. So it's better just to keep the kitties over here, mainly. And just, you know, cats are creatures of habit, but you know, if you slowly change things, then they can adapt. And you know, this is much better area in case we have to do any trap and release, because cars can just pull right up in here, park right here. Nobody uses this parking lot at this time, and so this is the time the cats are out, because it's the safest. So any trap and release is much better here than, you know, where Kendra seems to do it in the middle of the street where there's traffic and cars and broken glass. This is a much safer area. So shout out to Irene for providing this and also being a cat lover.
Right, Crooked Tail. Crooked Tail just wants love and food like everybody else, right, Charlie? Right, Crooked Tail? That's just some big kitties. Don't worry, you're safe here. You're safe here. I'm gonna buy the property next door too. Yes, I am. And I'm gonna kick all the neighbors out and move you guys in. Just kidding. Oh, they like each other too.
Somebody just yelled, "Fuck you forever." I think it was that guy that I just flashed the light on. I shouldn't do that to people, probably. But I need to let them know. Because I don't get any respect, right, Spotty? Wow, it sounds like he's really angry, huh?
Don't worry, Crooked Tail, I'll protect you.
Who is this orangey? I forget. Is this Charlie? So I changed their water. That had been empty, but I realized that's where they get their water from, right? And so I put that there, and they're really happy. I would have cleaned it. I put food there the first night.
It's okay, Choco.
There's Choco.
Hey, Choco. You're the sweetest, Choco. You're the sweetest guy. You're the sweetest, Choco. You're the sweetest guy. You're the sweetest, Choco. You're the sweetest guy.
So who's this Charlie, this orange one over here?
Look, I'm not that nice.
I think he's new.
But it's okay. It's okay. Oh, you haven't been pet in a while, huh? It's okay. You're safe here. I'll protect you. I protect you. It's okay. It's okay. I'll protect you. You're skinny. It's okay. You come here every day. I'll come and meet you here every day. It's okay.
sweetie. You want to
Baby's my love and food.
It's okay, kitty. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Shorty. It's okay, guys.